Did take a little bit of a break last week for my birthday, went home, did a few things, so now we're kind of seeing things assemble today since I painted it 2 weeks ago. So trying to kind of assemble things, see what else I need to have made or done, and start cleaning the glass. Checking in real quick, so lining everything up, getting all my valves set up in line with my gas transfer manifold. Once I get these valves in place, I'll be able to disassemble everything else, get the glass clean, and start working on my plumbing, which goes from my valves into my tanks, and get that situated, which shouldn't be the most difficult part, but anything that you believe would be simple will always have some type of complication. And then finishing up, we'll be getting my acrylics in place, finishing up the propane or MAP gas for the individual hand torch, doing little tweaks here and there, and we should be good in maybe 1 or 2 weeks.